Good morning, grade 2 learners. I'm Angeline Guzman, your English teacher for this session. Today, our lesson is differentiating common nouns from proper nouns. Are you familiar to this topic? Not yet? Don't you worry. After this lesson, you will be able to first, identify the nouns. Second, differentiate common nouns from proper nouns. However, before we start in our lesson, please make sure that you already have self-learning module, eraser, and pencil. But before we go to our lesson, let's have some reminders in using this module. Number 1. Use the module with care. Do not put unnecessary marks on any part of the module. Use a separate sheet of paper in answering the exercise. Number 2. Don't forget to answer what I know before moving into the other activities, including in the module. Number 3. Read the instruction carefully before doing each task. Number 4. Observe honesty and integrity in doing the task and checking your answers. And last, finish the task at hand before proceeding to the next. Am I understood? Now, let us start. First, we're going to unlock the two difficult words. First, stop. Materials, supplies, or equipment used in various activities. Second, prevent. To keep from happening or existing. I will show you a picture. What do you see in the picture? What is all about? Very good. You see a picture of a family having a picnic together under the tree. Now, turn your modules on page 2 and together, let us read the dialogue. The title, Picnic Time. On a weekend, the Manaloto family decided to go for a picnic. Along the way, they saw a lot of trees and cars. After 1 hour, they arrived at Clark Picnic Grounds. Johans and Jean were so happy. Johans, come Jean, let's ride on that bicycle. Jean, what a nice bicycle. But let's help Mom and Dad first with our stuff. Mr. Manaloto, let's put the picnic mat under this mango tree. Mrs. Manaloto, all right, it is nice to stay here. Trees gives us shade. Johans, why are there many trees here, Mom? Mrs. Manaloto, people planted them years ago. Trees give us fruits, wood, and medicine. They also help prevent floods. Jean, that is why trees are really important. The family went home happily. Have you enjoyed reading the dialogue? That is nice to hear. Now, let us answer some questions based on the dialogue. Number 1. Who are the characters in the dialogue? Number 2. Where did they go for a picnic? Number 3. What are the things they saw? And now, can you help me name the nouns mentioned in the dialogue? Let us start. Mountain, Johans, Athena, Jane, Mrs. Manaloto, Lola and Dog, mango tree, fruits, cars, bicycle, shoes, Mr. Manaloto. What we have just read now are called nouns. What is nouns? Nouns are names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. They may be classified as common nouns or proper nouns. Common nouns are common names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. They start with a small letter, unless they begin a sentence. Examples are trees, cars, shoes, fruits, and mountain. Proper nouns are specific names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. They always start with a capital letter. Examples are Jean, Johans, Lolo and Lo, Mango Tree, Mr. Manaloto, Mrs. Manaloto, and Clark Picnic Grounds. Do you understand now our lessons? Can you differentiate the common nouns from proper nouns? Very good! Turn on your module on page 4. Then answer the activity. Group the nouns mentioned in the dialogue by using the tree map below. Let us start now. Finish? Let us try to know more about differentiating common nouns from proper nouns by answering the activities found from page 5 to 8 on your module. Are you ready? Let's start on guided activity 1. Write C if the underlying word is a common noun, and B if it is a proper noun. Write your answers on the sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. I love to eat fruits. The underlined word is fruits. What is the answer? Very good. Letter C. Common noun. And now, you answer the number 2 to 5. Let's move on to our guided assessment 1, which can be found on page 6. The instruction is, match each proper noun with a common noun that best names it. Write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. Earth. What is the answer? Very good. Letter B. Planet. And now, you answer the rest of the numbers. Are you done? Next, let's do the guided activity 2. Give a proper or common noun for each given noun mentioned in the dialogue. Your answer may vary. Write your answers on the sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. Jean. What is the answer? Very good. Girl, lady, woman. Now, answer the following numbers. Are you done? Okay, let's answer the guided assessment 2. The common nouns and proper nouns get mixed in the box. Write each noun under the proper heading. Write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Common nouns. Church. Proper nouns. Taal Volcano. Now, do the remaining items. Finish? For the next activity that can be found on page 7, the independent activity 1. But before we do our activity, please prepare a red and yellow crayons for this activity. Okay? Color the proper nouns red and yellow for the common nouns. Do the activity on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. First, rose. What is the color? Very good. It's red. And now, call the rest of the nouns. Finish? Let's proceed to independent assessment 1. Write C for the common nouns and P for the proper nouns. Do the activity on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. Teacher. What is the answer? Very good. Letter C. Common nouns. Now, you answer number 2 to 5. Now we go on to independent activity 2. Draw a line to match the proper noun to its common noun. Do this activity on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. Mall. What is the proper noun of mall? Very good. It's SM Pampanga. Now, draw a line from mall to SM Pampanga. Then, answer the rest of the numbers. Let's answer the independent assessment 2, which can be found in page 8. Fill in the blank spaces with a common or proper noun. Your answer may vary. Write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Common noun, girl. What is the proper noun of girl? Very good. It can be Athena, Leia, or May. Now, answer the remaining items. Are you done? Very good. Have you enjoyed answering all the activities? Do you understand now our lesson? Nice. I'm glad to hear that. What is noun again? Very good. Noun can be classified as common noun or proper noun. Can you give me examples of common nouns? How about proper nouns? Very good. Now, let us read together about nouns on page 8. Nouns are names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. Nouns can be classified as common nouns or proper nouns. Common nouns are common names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. They start with small letter, unless they begin a sentence. Examples of common nouns are girl, country, toys, fruit, child, town, car, and day. Proper nouns are specific names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. They always start with a capital letter. Examples of proper nouns are John, Philippines, Lego, banana, Ella, San Fernando, Honda, and Tuesday. Let's practice and evaluate your knowledge or learning skill about differentiating common nouns from proper nouns by answering the activities that can be found on page 9. First activity. Identify the underlined word in each sentence. Write CN if it is a common noun and PN if it is a proper noun. Write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. Thomas had a birthday party on Wednesday. The underlined word is Thomas. What is the answer? Very good. It's PN, proper noun. Now, you answer number 2 to 5. Are you done? Now we go on to the next activity. Choose a common or proper noun to fill each blank. Write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your notebook. Number 1. I am so happy that today is blank. What is the answer? Capital M, Monday, or small m, Monday? Very good. The answer is capital M, Monday. Now, Answer the remaining numbers. Are you finished? Do you want to try another activity? Okay, let's answer the last activity that can be found on page 10. Are you done, learners? Nice! You did a great job. It's so amazing. Thank you for listening. Hoping that you enjoyed our lessons for today. Again, this is Angelina Digisman. Thank you for watching.